What's up, guys? Steven the Fear Bandit Zach here. Today I'm gonna do a little bit different video. Today I'm gonna do some bass fishing. I got the spring-fed creek up here in Oklahoma. I'm about to check it out, see what I can't find. I heard there's some smallies in here, some largemouths. So I got my wading boots on. We're gonna go out here and see if we can't get into a few. Stay tuned. There's some pretty cool stuff. This is actually right by a fish hatchery, so kind of see we got some largemouth, got some bluegill, some channel cat, some smallmouth. Be cool if I can pull a crappie out. Who knows? It's a little murkier than, more overcast than I was thinking. I got a Ned rig. I'm hoping it'll work. I usually have better luck on these when it's sunny, but I just bought these boots. These hoes better not leak. Looks like we got some rapids up here. Maybe there'll be a deeper pool. Now this is pretty cool. Got a nice little waterfall going. Some rapids. He's catching my line here. It's alright. Alright, so this is what I'm going with here. Well, swim bait. I just, like an idiot, dropped my phone in the water. I caught it pretty quick as it was sinking, but I'm hoping it I'm hoping it survived. I turned it off. Gonna let it dry. Oh, got one. Got one. Oh, he came off right there. Oh man. All right, let's see if we can't get another one. There was like 2 or 3 chasing it right there. That was a pretty good smallie right there too. I'm gonna angle this way so I can actually get a decent hook set if I do get another one chasing it. Got him. Got him. Oh, it's a good fish. That's a pretty good fish. Wow, that is a chunk. That is actually quite a bit bigger than I expected to catch out here. That's a pretty nice smallmouth bass. Look at that thing. Wow, look at that. On the swim bait. First fish. That thing is, guys, I mean, that's a nice smallie right there. That's bigger than I thought I was going to catch. I kind of figured I'd come out here and catch some real small ones, but I mean, it's a chunky fish. That's awesome. I think I found some. I was doing the reel and retrieve. It wasn't working. I was doing a pick up and drop. As soon as I started doing that pick up and drop, boom, started landing them. So let's give him a smooch. Let's get him back in there. Let's catch a couple more. Got another one. Got another one. Got another one. Nice. What is that? Ooh, it's a largemouth. Yeah. There, guys. There's a whole herd of hogs right there. Some big ones too. Man, there's a whole bunch of them. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that far at the GoPro, but there's a dozen pigs at least. Let's see if I can. The problem is I can't hit it too hard because then it's going to end up. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I didn't want. Alright, back to the old Ned. Oh, I see one come up at it. He's a little guy. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he had it. Look at him. Oh, he had it in his mouth, and I'm an idiot. I'm like, he's just swimming around being weird. Like, no, it's because he's got a hook in his mouth, you moron. I'm working my net a little too fast. Yep, as soon as I said that, slowed it down. He didn't even have the hook. He was just holding on to this. He was just holding on to the tail. Oh, there was one chasing it. Oh, there was two chasing it. There was two. There's one still down there. Did he go for it? Did he go for it? He's looking at it. He's looking at it. Let's leave it there. It's a largemouth. You got it. You got it. Got it. Oh, he spit it out. He's right there still. He's right there still. All right, I need to adjust. These fish are small. I need to move this weed guard over so I'm not missing all these hook sets on these little fish. He's still there though. See if we can get him to bite again. Oh, he heard it drop. Man, these fish are aggressive. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it. Another one. Just grabbed the tail. What is wrong with these fish? I guess I need to wait a little bit longer on the hook set. Alright guys, we're back to the old swim bait. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's what I was getting most of my bites on, so. Got one. Got one. Got one. Yeah, another little largemouth. This swim bait seems to be the money. Got another one right there, right there. Oh, it came off. Oh, it came off. It's hard, man. It's hard to set the hook on these guys. I got that little sucker. You're in there. Nice. Another little smallie here. Look at that. There we go. There we go. Got that one. Oh, he just had the tail too. What is happening here? What are these fish doing? Alright, I got one on. I let this one swallow it. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a real nice smallie. Oh man, I don't know if I can pick this fish up here. I guess I should have brought a real long net. Oh, that's a tank. That is a nice smallie right there, guys. Look at that fish. That is a real nice fish. Quality smallmouth bass right there. Look at this thing. That is like real quality fish, guys. Real nice. Alright, so since I keep grabbing the end of my worm and get off, I'm switching to this little crawfish. It's got a little bit less sticking out at the back, so I'm hoping that'll entice them to actually get the hook in their mouth. But we'll see. Got me a decent little fish here, guys. Oh yeah, a little fighter, largemouth. Haven't caught largemouth in a minute. Been all smallies the last few. Still on the jig. Beautiful colors on these fish back here. So I don't know much about plants, but I did learn from a friend this plant is called fish on a pole, which makes sense. Alright, so I left the deep hole and drove up the way a little bit. I don't know if there's any deep holes this way, so I'm just gonna wade fish and kind of cast into the little bit deeper section, see if I can't pull a fish or two out. As I find a massive pile of fish. I don't know what kind of fish they are, but there is a bunch of them. They don't really seem interested in my jig, but whatever they are big. I'm assuming maybe some kind of carp. I don't know. It's a pretty cool little spot here. I'm hoping there's some deep drop-offs on the other side. We shall see. That's a pretty serious buck right there. Look at the rack on that sucker. That's a real nice deer. Alright guys, so that's it for the day. It was a great day of fishing. I caught some great fish. A couple real nice smallmouth, lost a couple good ones too. But that just shows you, fishing in these small creeks, you can still find some good fish if you fish it right. You can cover some water, find some holes. So I appreciate y'all guys tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. Please hit the bell. I got tons of more videos coming up, so appreciate the support.